Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, we're at the new Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd, the ex-York pub in Birmingham. So we're outside of Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd, and as you can see, there's plenty of car park spaces here. So brothers and sisters, as you can see, this outer building here will be a youth facility. And where we stood here, this part, inshallah, will be a multi-purpose sports pitch. We have huge potential here. We stood here outside, and what we're hoping, inshallah, our plan is to have a sports hall facilities here or an AstroTurf. So brothers and sisters, we purchased this building for 1.1 million. It's a 1 acre land, and we also have planning for this to be a fully fledged masjid. So this is an urgent appeal for you guys to help us and donate generously. So let's now go inside and have a look. So we're in the main hall of Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd. As you can see, there's a lot of work that needs doing here. This will be the main prayer hall for the brothers. Hopefully, inshallah, all these pillars will be removed. And this will be a big open hall, inshallah, for the brothers. So coming to the front of the prayer hall, we will have the mimbar here, inshallah. And also very fortunate that the Qibla is straight, so all our safs will be straight. And then moving on, we come in front of the mimbar, inshallah. We will have the funeral service here, the mortuary, Alhamdulillah. We have a separate entrance, a separate car park, and it will be easy access. So our plan is, inshallah, that we will have a full big prayer hall here. So we're in the back part of the masjid, and this will be the dedicated hall for the sisters. MashaAllah, a lot of work is needed, but as you can see, if you look at the room, MashaAllah, once it's all done, inshallah, dedicated separate entrance, inshallah, for the sisters. You know, this is where the Quran classes will take place, the coffee mornings, and the full locality here, inshallah, of Hall Green, Tyseley, Acock Green will benefit, inshallah. What we want is this back building as phase 1, to have it up and running, inshallah, in a few months' time, and have it ready for the brothers to come and pray. Once the brothers start praying, the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioned, Quran classes are taking place, and then inshallah the barakah will come, and then inshallah in the future, hopefully very soon, the remaining of the building, you know, phase 2, phase 3, inshallah, we will have it up and running. So as we can see on the right hand side upstairs, this is the dedicated side for the brothers, and inshallah on the left coming up, these rooms will be dedicated for the sisters. And we also have a separate entrance here, inshallah, so this will be segregated, and many rooms for our sisters, inshallah. So we're in the upstairs portion of Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd. As you can see, mashallah, there's approximately 10 to 13 rooms here, inshallah. And what we want is from here, we will have this as a morning, from the morning till night time, classes will take place all day. And we'll have in the morning and afternoons, we'll have a full-time Aluminium course taking place. From 4 o'clock onwards, we'll have the maktab, the madrasa kids will be coming, and we do have a waiting list of over 350 kids, and there's a massive need in this area. And also in the evening then, after 8 o'clock, we will also have a part-time Aluminium class as well for brothers and sisters. Guys, we're in the basement now of Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd. There's such a massive building, just look at the basement. Alhamdulillah. So from here, inshallah, this will have a ta'ziyat place, and it will also be a place for Jamaat work, Dawah work, inshallah. And we'll also have a brand new kitchen as well here. And then moving on, we come into the Wudhū area. So downstairs in the basement will be the Wudhū area for the brothers, inshallah. So as you can see, this is a huge place. This is just the basement, and there's so much potential here, you know, for the locality, you know, to come and to benefit from this place. So please, brothers, inshallah, make dua and donate generously, and that we can have this building ready ASAP. So brothers and sisters, you've seen the inside of Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd and the outside, and you've seen, you know, it's such a big project, and the potential that is there, you know, in this area. It's needed, and not just in this area, but in the nearby areas of Acock Green, of Tyseley, and such a huge project. It can't be done without your help, guys. So this is why a humble request, you know, for your du'as, and most of all for your donations. Please donate generously. Let's have this building up and ready ASAP. So brothers and sisters, in this blessed month of Ramadan, where you give one and Allah multiplies by many. So please donate generously and get the reward in this blessed month.